Google just woke up and decided to choose violence. After years of releasing products just to kill them, they just dropped Gemini 3. And honestly, it's terrifying. Let's break it down. This is Gemini 3 Pro. It scores a 91.9 on the GPQA benchmark. That puts it 4 points ahead of GPT 5.1. But the real killer feature is something called Deep Think. It's basically Google's version of System 2 thinking. Instead of hallucinating an answer instantly like a nervous intern, the model actually pauses to reason through the problem step by step. It is literally the AI equivalent of asking a senior engineer a question and them staring blankly at the wall for 30 seconds before telling you to rewrite everything in Rust. And the flex doesn't stop there. It has a 1 million token context window by default. That means you can paste the entire codebase of the Linux kernel into the prompt, ask it to find a bug, and it won't forget what you said 5 seconds later. They also launched Google Antigravity, an Agentic platform. You give it a goal, like build me a Spotify clone, and it autonomously plans, writes, runs, and debugs the code. It creates its own to-do list. But how do you actually use it? It's simple. Open your terminal, pip install google-generativeai, initialize the client with your API key, set the model to Gemini 3 Pro, and pass your prompt. It is fast, it is significantly cheaper than OpenAI, and unlike GPT-4, it supports native video input without converting it to frames first. But there is a catch, a big one. To use this, you have to send your data to Google servers. If you are building something private, or you just hate the idea of big tech reading your logs, Gemini 3 is a no-go. Luckily, they also dropped Gemma 3. This is the open weights version. It's smaller, but it runs offline. You can run Gemma 3 right now, on your own laptop, for free, using Ollama. No API fees, no tracking. Just pure intelligence on your own hardware. If you don't want to miss that, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next system.